All right, hey y'all.
Hey, friend.
We wanted to give a little update in our lives. No big deal, but Jagg has duped me once again. Tricked me, really.
I have not.
We are probably going to get another dog this evening. The backstory on our dog Rebel here was Jagg, when he was starting his landscaping business, was allowing people to pay him in things that weren't money. And he got paid with a puppy. He told me after the fact, and like, what do you say? Throw that puppy out. We're not taking that puppy home.
You love him.
You know, you're guilty.
Him.
I do. He's been a great dog. But yesterday, Jagg came up to me and started telling me what happened.
So, long story.
He wakes me up out of my
You were already awake
after my night shift. Okay, well, I'm kind of always asleep even when I'm awake after a night shift. But
a rancher friend had bought a dog. Unfortunately, he got divorced, and with the split up, the dog stayed with the ranch house, which went to the ranch hand. So the ranch hand kept her for a few years, and it turns out his Chihuahua
they just
mix
don't get
along with this other dog, and so he's given her away.
So he's like, there's this dog that's a child of divorce, and now she's been abandoned by her uncle and is living with a friend.
Never thought of it that way. But she's okay, so I'll just tell you what she is. She's a Newfoundland.
Yeah, I haven't met her yet.
She's 4 years old. She's already ranch trained. They're big babysitters. She's met our 1-year-old and just licked the heck out of his face. Loves him. And she's just a big cuddly petter, just like this one. Needs attention and love, and we give attention and love. So
we're hoping. Well, we don't know. We're gonna go meet her, the whole family, and see how they get along. We wanted to get. Obviously, we're going homesteading, so we wanted to get more animals anyways, but I wasn't really planning on that happening until, we were out there. So maybe we're being a little premature, but also sometimes the Lord just puts certain opportunities in your path, and maybe it's meant to be.
These dogs they're from everything I've read about them, they're good with kids and families. They're very family-oriented dogs, and since we will be near a river, they're actually really good with water safety and water rescues, actually.
So we're hoping we have our herding breed that will keep our children together, and then we'll have another one to keep them from drowning. Not that we're not there too. We're totally responsible parents, but it's always good to have some help. So we're gonna go meet her, so you might as well come with us. Rebel, are you ready to go? Are you ready to go meet a new friend? He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Okay, we're here. Let's see how it goes. She's a big dog. She's a big dog. Hi. Stay there. He's like, well, she's too big to mess with. Are you excited to get a new dog?
I'm excited to get a new dog.
Hi. Oh gosh, so much slaughter. Hey bud, let me ask you a question.
What?
How do you feel about having to pick up twice as much dog poop?
Horrible.
Well,
we got
a new dog.
Yep.
Her name is Honeybear.
She's a Newfoundland.
And I think she's gonna fit right in with our little tribe.
Yep. Her and Rebel got along great. The boys are doing great. She loves licking the little one.
Yeah. He might have gotten smacked in the face with the tail once or twice.
He's already
it's
been
okay. He's just that height. But no more animals before we move.
Got it.
Deal?
Deal.
Okay, bye.
Bye.